Hello friends, how are you? So in this video I'm going to explain the networking between our virtual machines, basically in our Kali laptop and our XP and the Metasploitable. So I've drawn a diagram to explain this. So this bigger rectangle is our virtual machine and this second rectangle is our Kali laptop, and we have two interfaces. First is WLAN 0, which is my main router. It has an IP of 192.168.1.1, and another interface which is the VirtualBox interface. VBox.NET 0 is an IP of 192.168.56.1, which is inside our Kali. So we can say our Kali is connected with both WLAN 0 and VBox.NET interface. So it can access any nodes which is connected to these two net adapters or interface. So this is a XP machine and this is a Metasploitable machine. So our XP machine has access is connected with the WLAN interface and also with VBox.NET interface. So it has two interfaces. So it will have two IPs. One belong to WLAN 0 interface and another belong to VBox.NET 0 interface. But our Metasploitable is only connected with only one interface, which is VBox.NET 0 interface, which is the interface of the VirtualBox. So let's see this practically. So first I will show you my Kali interfaces. So I have config, then enter. So as you can see, we have two interfaces, VBox.NET 0 and WLAN 0. So our VBox.NET 0 has IP of 192.168.56.1 as I have shown in my diagram, and our Kali which is connected to my router has an IP of 192.168.1.2. So it is clear that we have two adapters working correctly. Now we go to our XP setting. How can we connect our XP to both the adapter? For that you have to enable two adapter in the VirtualBox through this tick sign. So first attach bridge your router, basically your WLAN adapter with the Kali, then go to adapter 2. Now host only adapter. Okay, then press OK. So now you are thinking from where this second adapter has came. So first let me show you how can you create your host only adapter. Go to files and preferences, then go to networks, then click on host only network, then click on this plus sign. This will create your network. As I only created my network, you can create this network, then you can go to this third option. It will show you your default IP of the interface. Okay, as I've only created this for 0 interface, so I will remove it. Like this you can create your VBox.NET 0 in your virtual machine. Okay, now we will see our Metasploitable network configuration. Go to network tab. It has only one interface, so we'll enable only one interface. It is attached to host only interface, VBox.NET 0. Okay, so click OK. So let's check if all the virtual machine are working or not. Let's so okay, I have my Metasploitable open. Till then I'll start my XP. Let's start it. Now we can check the connectivity between the two, the Kali laptop and the Metasploitable. And first go and check the IP of this Metasploitable. It has only one IP, ping 192.168.56.101. so you can see we are receiving the ping correctly. We do not have receive any error. So this means this is connected with this. Let's verify this again by doing from this. So you can see it is also connected. Now let's do one thing, do it and check it with the another router. So now you can see it is showing network is unreachable, which shows that it is only connected with VBox.NET 0 only. So we have checked the connection with Metasploitable. Now it's turn for the XP. Let's open the command prompt. check the IP. Please remember that a command of IP checking is in Windows system is ipconfig, and in Linux it is ifconfig. So it has two IP, 192.168.1.4 and 56.102. Let's check on both. First for the WLAN 0 interface, 1.4. Okay, we are not receiving any ping from here, not any packet. Okay, so let's wait for some time. Maybe it is just started now, so it is showing some error. 56.102. So you can see the second interface vbox.net is working correctly. Let's check it from this side. It is also working correctly. Now check on the second interface, vbox.net. It is also working correctly. So we can say from here the Kali is connected, the XP is connected with both the interfaces, but here we are not getting any let's check it again. 192.168.1.4 maybe having any problem. Let's leave this now, and if in between we are going to have any problem, then we will check it. As our XP is showing that it is connected with both the interfaces, but our Kali is not receiving any ping from this, maybe due to some firewall. This we will do in next video series. So that's all for now. Thank you, and if you have any query, then please comment below. Meet you in the next video.